Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'll love to watch out for it. Also, follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, with what I'm seeing right now, GBP USD is ready for the drop. It's either we see the drop, it's either it comes here to give us a double top formation around here before it drops, or GBP USD is likely to come to this high resistance here and give us the drop. So any level, the drop should be playing out on GBP USD. So we should see it either come to this, I'll say it again, it's either we get to this resistance level, the GBP USD will drop, or we are likely to see it push up to this resistance level here and the drop will play out. So watch out, there's going to be a massive sell on GBP USD. So watch out for the sell. So if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. And also you can go ahead to subscribe to our mentorship, which is currently going on. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section.